Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy, homemade, indulgent white hot chocolate that has only 3 ingredients. And I've got the blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the recipe, step-by-step instructions and everything you need to make this indulgent treat, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it. So these are the only 3 ingredients you'll need. I am using whole milk. You can use any milk you like. You can use almond milk, coconut milk, you can use any milk that you usually enjoy in your diet. I've just got this lovely Irish whole full cream milk. For the white chocolate, now you can use chocolate chips if you want. I always buy this white chocolate when it's on special, so I have loads of these 4 bars. Each bar is about 25 grams, which is 0.8 ounces. I'm just making this for myself, so I'm going to use 1 bar. If you want it to be extra chocolatey, you could use 2 bars. You could use as much as you want. You can, of course, use any white chocolate you like, and if you'd rather use chocolate chips, you can use about 1/4 cup, even a bit less than that, around 1/4 cup at most per person, of chocolate chips, white chocolate chips. You can use cooking chocolate, a row or 2, really just depends how white chocolatey you want your white hot chocolate to be. And I'm going to add a bit of cream to add lovely rich creaminess to it. You could also add a bit of vanilla extract to it, just a pinch to boost the vanilla-y white chocolate flavors, but I prefer adding a bit of cream to make it extra thick and rich and creamy. So now we're just going to pop all the ingredients into a small saucepan. I've got my saucepan here. Now my hack for getting the perfect amount of hot chocolate is to use the mug you're going to serve it in. So I've got my mug here. I know there's already a little bit of milk in there. I was finishing 1 carton, so I thought I'd finish 1 carton off and then pour out from a new carton to top it up with milk. Now I'll do it mostly milk and just leave a little room at the top to just top it up with a bit of that lovely cream. So just top it up with a little bit of that cream till you're happy with the amount. So now I know that once I've cooked the hot chocolate and pour it back out in my mug, it will fill perfectly. And just pour it out into the saucepan and then break the chocolate right into your milk and cream mixture. Okay, and now we're going to pop it onto the stove top over medium heat and just cook it until the chocolate's melted and it just starts to gently simmer. So I've got the hot chocolate on the stove top and just keep stirring it until the chocolate is melted and it's just starting to simmer. I'm mixing it along. I can feel that all of that chocolate is melted, and so just cook it until it's steaming and almost kind of bubbling, almost at simmering point. As soon as it starts simmering, just straight away remove it from the heat. Just started bubbling, take it straight off the heat now. And I've got my mug back and ready, and it's just a matter of pouring the white hot chocolate out into the mug. And because we use the mug for measurement, there is the perfect amount there. If you give it a little stir through and have a look, oh, it's the perfect creamy white hot chocolate that's full of white chocolate, just what I absolutely adore. Now you can enjoy the white hot chocolate just like that, or pop a bit of toppings on. In Ireland we get this already freshly whipped cream. Have a look at the consistency. It's already whipped cream and you can just pop it straight onto your hot chocolate like that to make it even more indulgent and an incredible dessert. So that is the video for today for how to make this easy homemade white hot chocolate recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too. Let me know if you give this white hot chocolate a try. So thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again soon. Bye.